Playing Granny Chapter 2 and E practice mode and doing helicopter escape because I've already done the normal escape. And also thank you Legend Craft for, supporting me because your friend Sam didn't really care. So we've done the door and the boat escape already. So today is our turn to do helicopter escape. Granny series in my channel don't really get any views, so that's weird. Anything here? Nothing. Duct tape, gasoline, anything maybe? Glass fuse? Alright, nothing. Okay. Anything? Nothing. Anything. God. I will have to remember the places I found the pieces of pigs, because it's important. Like, the first one is here. Glass fuse is here, okay? We have to remember that, okay? We have to remember it. So we're going to learn. Okay, not here, anything here. We could just, oh, we have stun gun, very nice. So first piece of picture is here in my hand. That was in the bathroom. Here, wait, range, and we've already found the stun gun. We can go. Hold up, manual. Let's just drop this for a moment. Take the wrench. Go faster, but then to increase the speed. I bet it's gonna be something helicopter related or crowbar. Grab it, bro. How much time is it gonna take for you to do that? Okay, let's go. You see my voice echoing? Just don't mind it. Hey, you alien-y. Alien. Don't cross the boundary. It was a headshot. Weirdo. How could you done for nothing? Useless. Let's grab the painting and go up. Oh my god! Do I have to perform a whole defeat the monster? Oh, never mind. I killed him. So, random like that, I guess. Oh, I found a minute. A security key. Gasoline. Useful things by now. Okay, cutting pliers. Oh, second piece of picture, we gotta remember that. Third, we found all the pieces, okay? Found all of them. Okay, got this. Go away. You're useless now. Door handle? Nothing. Okay, now we're gonna go search furthermore. I think I found glass fuse also, right? Right? No? Well, cutting pliers? Wait, there's not. Oh, wait, there's something. Helicopter key, nice. Let's go, I guess. We'll search in my room also. Jealous of my match. I haven't got crowbar or something like that yet. Let's search. What's here? What's here? Whoa, nothing? Really nothing? Christ. Anything here? We need a crowbar for that. Let's just go up for now. We can take the paintings and see. Whatever. Let's see. Oh, crowbar, nice. I'll get that in a bit. Bolt key useless. Crowbar, yep, we can work with that. it's gonna start limping. That's the problem. Like, you know, once you fall from here, from the wind, with the wind, you're not gonna limp. But the moment you fall again from there without the wind, you're gonna fall badly, bro. Duct tape. I'll take the crowbar and go downstairs too. Meet you there then. Remember, Glassfield was here. You gotta remember that, bro. Go, 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 go. Stun gun? Oh, save key. It's probably gonna have padlock key though. Wow, I'm really not well. Okay, cutting pliers, nice. But wait, I don't need the cutting pliers. If I don't have any stun gun or something, I don't need it. I haven't got anything related to guns. This is bad. I need weapon key. I need weapon key, bro, and I haven't got that yet. This is bad. This is actually bad. What will I do with cutting pliers, son? I don't have any stun gun. Right? I don't have any stun gun. I have a weapon key. What is this seed, bro? Yeah, and I'm gonna start limping like an idiot. What am I gonna do now? Cutting pliers ain't gonna help me. Yeah, I'm gonna go and it's gonna need weapon key. What's the Wow. Wow. Okay, what is happening? You gonna drop the weapon key, the place where the weapon is needed. Wow, game. Wow. I'm like super. Like, seriously, you're gonna drop the weapon key where the weapon is needed. And I had this gut feeling that weapon key will be there. You know, I had this gut feeling, but I didn't say it. Guess what? I was right. I just had this gut feeling that, hey, I think the weapon key gonna be at the place where weapon is. But God, I just can't even say things. And remember that the glass fuse is here. I'm telling again and again. I'm gonna shoot in fun for only. God. And just had this gut feeling in me, like, hey, I think the weapons key gonna be at the place of weapon. And guess what? It came through. Cause well, where will the game hide that in? Bam, bam! I'm gonna shoot you. Oh, I didn't shoot at that time. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Bam. Oh wait, I need 2 more bullets. Wait, I'll just get it there. I'll get the cutting pliers first. I think I have everything to escape, right? I'll just get the gasoline from here. Just give me the gasoline can. Don't act up. Jealous of my man. I think we have everything to escape, right? Yeah, we have everything to escape. Duct tape, gasoline, key. Yeah, we made it. Door handle. Imagine if I was doing door escape at this seat. Okay, you don't have to do all that animation. Okay, we need glass fuse. Okay, focus on the game. This definitely took me a lot of time. Here we go. Okay, where's the glass fuse? Okay, here's the glass fuse. Definitely took me a lot of time. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Alright. Open this door. Open, you don't. Now we're gonna take the gasoline. Fill it in. I think I'm gonna do this before 12 minutes. The filling the gasoline type of thing obviously take more time, but I think I'm gonna do this before 12 minutes. Can you just fill it in? It's not that hard. I wouldn't say that I can do this before 11 minutes, but I think I can do this before 12 minutes. And it's 11. I'm gonna make a bet on I'll do this before 11:20. Yay! So guys, the official helicopter escape has been done. Thank you for watching, I guess. Nobody watches these videos anyway, but nice. We can increase the volume now. Okay, happily we escaped. Bye bye.